Starting a YouTube channel from scratch isn't easy, especially when you're working behind the scenes without showing your face. But here's the thing, it's not impossible. I'm sharing how I took a brand new channel, chose the right niche, avoided copyright issues, and managed to get 2,400 watch hours from just one video. Stick around, especially if you're into creating content without showing your face, because I'll be breaking down every step that worked for me and the struggles I faced along the way. Let's get into it. Part 1. Picking the niche. First things first, I had to choose a niche. I went with live stream highlights, moments from big names like Kai Cenat and iShowSpeed. These creators always have viral-worthy content in their streams, and fans love seeing those highlights again in short, snappy videos. But just choosing a niche isn't enough. You've got to make sure your content is safe from copyright strikes. Here's how I handled it. Edited the clips, cropped the edges, added filters, and changed the layout so it didn't look identical to the original. Included subtitles and overlay. This not only made the video more engaging, but also gave it my unique style. Added background music. Always stick to copyright-free tracks, which you can find in YouTube's audio library. These small changes ensured my videos stood out and didn't run into copyright issues. Part 2. Choosing the clips. Here's where things get interesting. Picking the right clips is everything. Not every live stream moment is worth using. Your job is to find the gold. I focused on asterisk, funny reaction, asterisk, moments that shock or surprise viewers, asterisk, anything that feels super relatable or entertaining. For example, I'd take moments where Speed is freaking out over a game, or Kai is doing something unexpected. These are the moments that get people to watch till the end. And trust me, keeping viewers engaged is the key to hitting those watch time hours. Part 3. Uploading and staying consistent. Once I had my process down, it was all about uploading consistently. I started posting videos regularly, even if I wasn't sure how they'd perform. Here's the reality. Some videos blew up, getting thousands of views. Others barely hit double digits. It's frustrating, but it's part of the journey. The key is to not get discouraged. Every upload is a chance to improve and learn. Over time, I noticed that the more consistent I was, the better my videos started performing. Part 4. The viral moment. Then one day, everything changed. I posted a video, went to bed, and woke up to find it had hit 200,000 views overnight. That single video gave me 2,400 watch hours, just like that. It was insane. I'd finally crossed the hardest part of YouTube's monetization requirement, the 4,000 watch hour. But here's the twist. I still hadn't reached 1,000 subscribers. And that's when I realized I needed to focus more on getting people to subscribe, not just watch. Part 5. Lessons for beginners. If you're starting out, especially without showing your face, here are the biggest lessons I've learned. Choose a niche with a loyal audience. Live stream highlights work because fans love reliving those moments. Avoid copyright issues. Edit your clips to make them your own. Post consistently, even when views are low. Every video is a step forward. Keep an eye on trends. Be quick to upload highlights when something big happens. Stay patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. You'll have videos that flop. It's normal. The most important thing, don't give up. Easy to feel like you're wasting time, but the moment you push through, that's when things start to happen. My journey's far from over, but hitting 2,400 watch hours from one video showed me what's possible. If you're trying to grow your channel, stay consistent, keep learning, and don't let the low views stop you. If I can do it without showing my face, you can too. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Peace.